There's part 2 of my PSU servicing guide. Ready for installation. Obviously you want to make sure you've got a clean working environment. So I've got my spare parts there. Now, it's all plugged in there, just have to take my word for it. Using a secondary power supply cable, just to make sure that's not the issue. It very well could be the issue. Oh, hang on, before I plug that in, better make the fan go in there, eh? So, that may void the warranty if I run it without a fan for too long. No, it's not going to reach. There we go. Where does this go, mate? Oh, there we go. We've identified the slot. So even though great care was taken in the cable management during the process, we'll still manage to block this with this grey cable. So I think if I just tuck it around that capacitor, putting a little bit of stress on the capacitor, that should hold and should be functional. Now, to plug this in. So now we have the issue, it's plugged in there. I can put the fan on there for good cooling, but these loose bits of metal might short it out, so safety first, of course. I think what we're going to have to do is just let's put enough bit of resistance. Just going to have to deal with it that way, I think. Now she's coming out. Okay, well I'm going to put this in a nice and safe spot down here. I think, oh no, I want to make sure that fan's correctly orientated, because that could invalidate the process. Rightio. That's how you service a PSU. See, now I'll show you the working product. Oh, you got to plug it in, of course. Jesus. People might think I'm a fucking rookie, you know. Jesus. Got to actually plug the dog in. Yeah, so she's actually plugged in. You can't see it. Obviously, you can if you want. Very critical with this new type of build. You make sure that your fan stays plugged in after reorientating it. So I think on case gear it said that angle of fan creates the maximum cooling. So I'm going to give that a go. Anyway, she's all plugged in. So yeah, this is the working product after you do a service. Yeah, see? Fucking like brand new. She's not even stopping. I didn't do that before, but she was only going for 3 seconds before rebooting, so there we go. Stage 3 will be whether a fucking graphics card will run as well.